So put that up. Yes. It's so hot. When did they come on? It's always so hot in these plates. I can't. Your mother's hot. And did you bring the hand creams that I packed for us? What do you need? No, I don't have this. Can I? We just sat down. Can you ask her for the eye masks? No, the eye masks. Ask her for the eye masks. I found the heavy one. I found it. It's fine. Don't even worry. Just give me 50. I just need 15 minutes. What? Oh, snacks. You get the pretzels. Do they have the pretzels? Hi. Guys have the pretzels. Well, it depends which. What? No, you asked. No, you go yourself. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Oh, excuse me.